Welcome back. This is the next question of our series. It is saying that point P divides the line segment joining point A and B. This is the point P which is dividing the line segment. So I will better understand it by drawing figure. This is, let me be A, which is 2, 1, and this is your B, which is 5, minus 8. There is point P, okay? Point P, this is suppose point P something here, okay? Which is x, y if I want to say, or can take anything else, okay? So now, if I take this point over here, okay, so x, y I can take, but no, here it is already 2x now. So मैं काम करता हूँ, I will take it as some other thing, that is let it be x bar, comma, y bar, or you can take even as a and b also, okay? So whichever is comfortable with you, that you take, or take it as capital X or capital Y, whatever it is. So I am taking it as x bar and y bar. These are the 2 points, okay? Now what the condition says over here, okay, this point P is such that ratio of AP is to AB is 1 is to 3. That means if you take ratio of AP is to AB, okay? Now since we have only internal division, otherwise we could have did it directly, but since we have internal division, that means we need to get ratio of AP is to PB. Otherwise I would say like this, okay, this point A which is there is dividing PB externally in the ratio 1 is to 3. That also will work, and the external division formula already we have seen. But if you don't want that, suppose you don't want that, so here it is already what? Okay, AP is to PB is 1 is to 3. So now first let me understand this. AP is to AB is 1 is to 3. In short, it means that your 3 times of AP is equal to AB by cross multiplication. Okay? 3 times of AP is equal to AB. Now actually 3 times of AP, no problem, and this AB which is there is nothing but AP plus PB. So taking this AB this side, what you get here, 3AP minus AP is your PB. That means 2 times of AP is to AB, right? So, is to PB. I wrote here AB. That means ratio of AP is to PB if I want to take. So this PB must come down. So it will become what? Actually see this, 2AP is to PB will come. And here nothing will remain, that is 1. Okay? Now this 2 is in the form of multiplication. So it will transfer to other side, it will become 1 is to 2. That means ratio of division is 1 is to 2. Okay? So now I can say here, keep point P, x bar, y bar divides AB internally in the ratio so called as 1 is to 2. Okay? Okay? And somewhere K also is there, which I did not write. Yes, it is there. Okay, that I will see later on. Okay, so let me understand what points I am going to get here. Okay, so by I can say here the point P x bar y bar divides AB internally in the ratio 1 is to 2. Okay, right? So therefore, by section formula for internal division, if you remember x coordinate of division, so this is your division point. So x coordinate of it, that is x coordinate of division. What is x coordinate of division? That is x bar is equal to, okay, The formula says mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. How did I say you? If you remember, this I will take, that is left will go with right. So 1 into 5. 1 into 5 plus 2 will come this side. That is into 2. That you remember, na? X with x and y with y is 1 plus 2. And same is your y bar. Y bar, same story. 1 into the right wala y coordinate, that is minus 8. We have did ample questions on this. So 2 into left wala, that is 1 upon 1 plus 2. Okay. So what I get here is 1 into 5 is 5. 5 plus 4 is 9 by 3. This is x bar, and y bar is your minus 8 plus 2, that is equal to minus 6. Minus 6 by 3. That means x bar is equal to 3 and y bar is equal to minus 3. The coordinates of P are what? So called as 3 comma minus 3. And we very well know that we already know nicely that if any point lies on the line, then it satisfies the equation of that line. Okay. So now since P lies on, so I can say here, since P lies on 2x minus y plus k is equal to 0. So therefore, coordinates of P will satisfy the given equation. Coordinates of P will satisfy means what? The x coordinate of P and y coordinate of P. When I put in the place of x coordinate and y coordinate in the equation, the left side will become equal to right side. That means therefore this x is equal to 3 and y is equal to minus 3 satisfies 2x minus y plus k is equal to 0. Agree? So x is equal to 3 and y is equal to minus 3. So therefore, in place of x I write 2 into 3 minus y as minus 3 plus k is equal to 0. Now 2 3s will become 6. Minus of minus is plus k is equal to 0. So therefore 6 plus 3 is 9 plus k is equal to 0, indicating k is equal to minus 9. The value of k will be equal to minus 9. Okay. Very good question, but sometimes it is also given like this. K, A and B are given to you, okay, and it is told that particular point, that is P, H, comma K or whatever is there, lies on this particular line. So find the ratio of division. Okay, so like this question also is sometimes asked. So that time the story changes little bit. Okay, let me think if I can create a question from this only. If it is possible, then we will do question based on that type. Now see this question which I have randomly written anything. What I was this first line I kept as it is, 2 and 1 also I kept. B I changed at 5 comma 4 purposely. I don't want negative sign. There is no problem, you can have negative also. And P lies on that equation I wrote already, 2x plus y plus 3, randomly I wrote. But I will be finding coordinates of P and ratio of division both in this. Okay. So this figure remains same. This is your so called as A, which is your 2 comma 1, and B which is 5 comma 4. And this is your P which I am going to take x bar and y bar. The ratio of division is not known. So I have showed you already the ratio of division, when it is not known and to be found out, you don't take it as m is to n, you take it as k is to 1. Okay, this is k is to 1. Okay, and one more thing I saw here, that P lies on this. That means coordinates of P will satisfy this particular equation, right? So That is the first line I will write here. P lies on so called as 2x plus y plus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, coordinates of P satisfy so called as 2x plus y plus 3 is equal to 0. That means if x is replaced by x coordinate of P and y is replaced by y coordinate of P, the left side and right side both will become equal. So therefore, this x which is here will be replaced by x coordinate of P, that is 2x bar, and y will be replaced by y bar plus 3 is equal to 0. This is first one. Now the story becomes very simple. I got the equation in terms of x bar and y bar. It means that I have to convert, or I have to get the value of x bar and y bar. Okay, so that I can get over here. I can see the picture very clearly. Okay, P is dividing AB internally in the ratio k is to 1. So I say here P divides AB internally in the ratio k is to 1. Okay, so I will be using same here bisection formula for internal division. I have already told you, please do not write as this SF for ID. No, you have to write completely section formula for internal division. Okay, x coordinate of division, that is, this is x coordinate of division. Okay, this x coordinate of division is this k into 5, k into 5 plus 1 into 2, 1 into 2 upon k plus 1. And what is y coordinate of division? Y coordinate of division again k into 4 plus 1 into 1. This is k, y coordinate, 1 y coordinate upon k plus 1. Now you have got the value of x bar and y bar. The value of x bar and y bar you put it over here. You just be careful while solving, nothing else. It is very simple. Only think properly and then proceed. Do not be bookish. That is, whatever questions are in books, only then you solve. Whenever you solve the problem, try to think pehle. Try to analyze the question. Think in all the possible way. Don't be the person who is only opening book and trying to solve and not thinking. Do not be like that. Maths is not for that particular work when you are not using brain. Do not be typist. That is, do not become of one particular type. Always think of something new. Something new you have to think. Always. Kuch naya karo. Then you will learn more. Learn new. Okay. So now this x bar you put it in this. That is put in 1. So when you put it in 1, so you get here 2. See, x bar value is so big, right? So put a bracket pehle. This 5k plus 2 upon k plus 1, agreed? Plus bracket closed. Y bar as 4k plus 1 upon k plus 1. Okay? Plus 3 is equal to 0. Right? So first multiply. This is numerator. Alone number is always numerator. Multiply it. That is 2 into 5. That is your 10k. I would separate it. 10k plus 2 2s are 4 upon k plus 1. Agreed? Plus this is 4k plus 1 upon k plus 1. And here it is 3. Agreed? Now you see that these two are having denominator same. तो लेट मी वर्क ऑन देम पहले ना, मैं बाकी के बारे में बाद में सोचूंगा. तो इन दोनों का डिनोमिनेटर सेम है, तो आई विल बी टेकिंग देम ओनली वंस. ओके, तो आई गेट हियर 10k plus 4 plus 4k plus 1 plus 3 is equal to 0. Right? The denominator is not present for this 3, it is 1. So solving this, what we get, 10k and 4k are like terms. तो उनको आप ऐड कर सकते हो. 10k plus 4k is your 14k. 4 plus 1 is your 5 upon k plus 1 plus so called as 3 by 1 is your 0. Okay. Now actually you can take this 3 that side also, so that it will become negative. Okay. So if you want, you shift it that side. So this will become minus 3 or minus 3 by 1. Okay. This was plus here, giving that side. Now again cross multiplication in both cases. So what you get here is 14k plus 5 minus 3. Now this k plus 1 is multiplied. So if I write like this, so it will be 3 minus 3 multiplied only to k, not to 1. But it is whole multiplied to k plus 1. So I need to put a bracket. So I'll put a bracket over here. So what I get here? I get 14k plus 5 is minus 3k minus 3. Okay? So this minus 3 being smaller, I am breaking it here, and 5 will go that side. So I get here 14k plus 3k is minus 3 minus 5. So 14k plus 3k is your 17k is equal to minus 8. So k is equal to minus 8 by 17. So if you remember, I have told you very clearly that if k comes negative, it means that the division is external. So I will say here, therefore this P divides AB externally in the ratio. When you write the word external, that time do not write that sign. In the ratio 8 is to 17. That is minus sign indicates only external or internal division. Okay. Now you got the value of k as minus 8 by 17. So obviously you can find the value of, the coordinates of p, which is x bar and y bar. So I am falling short in space. So what I am doing here, I am writing it this side, whatever is possible. So I will be writing in this much portion whatever is possible. Otherwise I will skip it. Now x bar is your this one, that is 5k. Okay, 5k. So 5 into k is what? Minus 8 by 17. Okay, plus 2 upon k plus 1. So I would better find the value of k plus 1 because k plus 1 value both is same over here. So first I am finding here k plus 1 ka value. So k plus 1 ka value is, k is minus 8 by 17 plus 1. So cross multiplication of 17 and 1, that will be 17 minus 8. 17 minus 8 is equal to 9 by 17. Okay, so this is your k plus 1 ka value, which will come over there. That is, it is divided by, it is like this, divided by, so called as 9 by 17. Okay, I can only find x, you will have to find y. No spaces there. So here x bar will be your 8 5s are 40 minus 40 by 17 plus 2 upon 9 by 17. Agreed? So again here this is numerator. So I need to cross multiply. So 17 2s are 34 minus 40 plus 34 is minus 6. So I get this as minus 6 by 17. Now I am running short with space. So here actually will come divided by 9 by 17. Okay, that much space I am having is 9 by 17. Okay, this is main division. And when you convert it into multiplication, ये ऊपर चला जाएगा. That is, your x bar will become minus 6 by 17 into 17 by 9. So this divides off, and even this divides by 3. So you get your x to be as your x x bar will become your minus 2 by 3. Okay, this will be your minus 2 by 3, and you yourself find for so called as y bar. Okay, so that you can get the coordinates of p, and division ratio also you have got. Okay, it was a nice question. It's framed. I just wrote anything randomly, so I got the answers also. You will get answer for everything. Okay, so think pehle, prepare your working plan and then proceed. Okay, it was nice. So now next time we'll start with something new. Till then, uh, have a nice time. Take care. Goodbye and thank you.